Hi guys, and today we are making a chicken cucumber roll.
All
You
right.
start.
Let's start. What we're gonna have in the dish?
We're gonna have some rotisserie chicken, some onion and garlic, cilantro, big English cucumber, 3 jalapeños, lime, avocado. We're gonna need cream cheese and a cottage cheese. That's about it, I think. Yes. We'll start with slicing the cucumber. You are the cucumber slicer.
All right. Cucumber slicer. We're just gonna try to make whoopa. Wrong one. Ahua. Other side. We're gonna try to cut a few pieces, long pieces and thin of cucumber. Whoopa. Professional slicer. Slack. I think 1 cucumber gonna be plenty. So I'm just gonna slack. Yes. And for now, until I'm cutting the cucumber, we're gonna go and check what Yulia's doing for now.
All right, for the chicken fillet, we're gonna chop. We have a rotisserie chicken over here. I'm just gonna make it smaller, chop it smaller pieces. You can just boil some chicken and shred it. You can use salmon, you can use tuna. We have a chicken for today and we have it ready already. So we're just making it smaller.
Also, this chicken, we got it already pre-cooked, pre-cut, everything.
Yes, it was
from
Costco.
Costco, ready to go, which make it a lot easier. You don't really need to mess with it.
Just going to shred it all.
Okay, until she's gonna finish with the chicken, I finish with the cucumber. For now, we're just gonna put it on parchment paper, like that. I hope you guys see it. Just like that. It's already look good. And by the way, I guess we got a big cucumber, which gonna be enough for probably 2 rolls. All right, we're gonna double it up. All right, let's go back to the cutting onions. We're gonna put this one on the side.
Yes, I'm going to chop some onions.
We got a little bit left.
The red onion, I think, would be better in this recipe, much better with cilantro, but we don't have any, so regular onion it is.
Chicken cut to small, thin, small pieces. We're gonna dump the chicken in a big bowl. Look at my baby chef, look at her.
Onion, about a half of onion. I would add more, but for keto I think it's a carb, so we don't want too much onion.
We want the flavor, but we don't want too much. But we do want some for sure. Hi baby, hi.
It's a baby for chicken.
You can wait. We got plenty so far. For chicken over here.
If you want.
Okay, for now, the avocado, we need avocado in the inside or
Yes.
on top of it?
Inside and on top of it, we can do. We're gonna mix it together.
Oh la la. So we use this one for the sauce?
Yes, we can use it for the sauce.
Alright, mix the
Onion is
chicken with
ready.
the...
The truth, I think it's a bit too much onion for
Too
this
much
amount
onion?
of-
Alright, no problem.
I would use a 1/4 of the onion for this amount. So I think I made too much. I'm just gonna move it aside.
It's okay, we can eat it later. Mix, 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 mix.
Just put them in there. I'm gonna use it for something else. Okay, now we'll take an avocado, full avocado, and just cut it
Let me just
and add it to the chicken.
Okay, no need spoon.
No, I got it.
All right.
Spoon.
Pick up.
There is chicken over here. Think you're gonna leave? Okay. Just cut it. And now we might add some more in a raw pepper. Now add it to our chicken.
Chicken.
Chop a little
Chicken with
bit of
avocado.
cilantro. So since we're gonna add some cilantro in a sauce as well, I'm not gonna overwhelm it with the flavor. Just a little bit.
For now, until she's cutting, I'm gonna add a little bit salt. Garlic powder. Black pepper. Where are you, black pepper? Ciao. A little bit black pepper. A little bit cilantro.
And I'll take a jalapeno. I don't know how spicy it is, you never know. We'll start with one.
I think one will be good.
It's a spicy one.
Spicy one is good.
To put the full one or half?
I don't know, let's start with half. Let's just for now, if you don't mind, to give me a... Got some lime. We want to add some lemon too, or just lime?
One is the one.
One lime.
I should have put gloves.
Just don't touch your eyes later.
Yes.
Tip for you guys,
I can.
do not cut hot pepper and touch your eyes later.
I can taste it when I've got it in the air. It's spicy.
All right, one lime. Check. Check. Excuse me, ma'am.
I will add for now just one jalapeno, half of the jalapeno.
It's probably plenty.
Yes, it's pretty spicy. Oof.
All right, I'm the mixer.
Wash my hands right away. Even though it's spicy, it's not gonna go away.
Whoa. The truth is already look good. We want to add some garlic now, or we want some
we're
in the
gonna make a
dressing?
sauce. Now we're gonna make a dressing
Okay,
sauce.
this is what we got so far. It's look yummy. Let me taste, make sure.
We wanna add some protein, so we're gonna use cottage cheese.
Okay, now we move to the dressing, I guess.
We're gonna add some cottage cheese. I would say 4 spoons, 4 spoons of cottage cheese.
Right. 4 spoons.
And garlic. You can add garlic powder. We love garlic, so we just add in
4 cloves.
of garlic
4.
and cilantro
We want also lime or lemon to put in the dressing.
and lime. Yes.
And lime. We got one more lime over here. Lime.
I would put a half.
Say a half. Squeeze the squeeze.
But move
Hard lime. With no juice.
Wait. If it's no juice,
No juice, we'll do a whole one, yeah.
Here we go.
All right, we're going with a whole lime. I don't think we need any salt and pepper because I put plenty over here. Wow, it looks so good. Look. Good, so good.
Alright, I think it's good. Let's just mix it now.
What? This is our ninja that we have for now. We're gonna get a better one, we promise. Sorry for the noise. It's ready!
Alright.
Okay, the truth, because this is
It's not actually the food for processor is big, so we added a little bit of lemon just to make it more liquidy because it wouldn't blend.
But look how good it looks now.
Oh, it's really good.
Oh.
It's really, really good. Right?
Voilà. And now, be careful on your hands. Oh, I definitely add one lemon. It's adding for the flavor and it's make it more liquidy. Even though by next time we're gonna have food processor, I'm sure it's gonna work better.
Alright.
Alright, you're gonna wash your hand. I'm gonna mix it, mix.
Right, first for salt. And I'm gonna get it in cheese.
There you go.
How is it?
Very good.
It needs some
Oh la la, look how good it look.
salt or no?
I don't think so. Until she gonna cut us one more avocado.
You put the
I'm gonna put
cheese.
some cream cheese on. We got whipped cream cheese. It's very easy to work with, and it got only 2 grams of carbs for 100, for 2 tablespoons. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons. 1, 2, and we're gonna spread it up.
It smells amazing. The cilantro and garlic after the mixer. Everything smells so good.
You know what? I did a mistake.
What happened?
I should have put the cream cheese like this. Because we wanna roll it this way.
What can you see? This one way.
So we promise by the next video, we actually gonna have a camera here from the top that you guys can see all the greatness without us need to cut and move and go back and forth. But we'll get better, we promise. All right, this is much better. Okay, we're done with the cream cheese. Let's move like this. Hopefully you guys can see what's going on over here.
Move from the way, so it's gonna be. We done with cream cheese, you think?
I think we're done with cream cheese.
All right.
Yeah. All right, now the fun part. We're just gonna take everything here. We're gonna upload on top of the cream cheese. Ooh la la, ooh
I think
la
it'll be
la.
too much. We for sure gonna have a few.
It's for sure more than, look, it's for a lot. But for now, we're gonna make just one. I also think it's good. We're gonna add a cucumber on top of it.
Cucumber?
Sorry, avocado. Cucumber here. Ooh la la, ooh la la. Okay, you guys have to
this
see
is
how it
good.
looks like.
This is good.
What?
Now let's roll it.
Rolling, 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 rolling. Hoo ha!
You don't want to put cream cheese all over it? That is ideal.
You can, but I don't think that you need. But this is our first time that we're making it, so we might need to do it differently next time. All right. Wish me luck. Now you should have put this like this. All right, all right. Whoa, whoa. Up, up, up. Whoa. Cucumber hands.
Very good.
Ooh la la. Maybe I should make it a little
Very
bit
fat
tinier.
cucumber.
I think we put too much stuff in it. All right, next time, less filling, but we can try to do it again. You want to try to do it again?
No, that's good. We have a lot more. Next one you can try to do better.
All right, the next one I'm going to be better. Okay, let's cut it and see how we did. Too thick. Bam.
Like this?
Yeah. Bam, too.
You said this one is too thick.
It's okay.
I can make it even.
All right, take the
Ready?
knife. Oh, back. And let's hope I'm not gonna break everything.
I will just take it by hand. The truth.
Yes? All right. Let's take it by hand.
Okay, this one was falling apart
Yes.
already. I can put it here. And the rest we can like this. Okay.
Whatever you want. Whoa. Even with the presentation, we'll get better. Roba.
Like this you can put it. And
Opa. Whoa.
I think should have rolled it a little bit tighter.
All right, I guess I'm not a roller.
It's okay, you'll get better. Let's try it.
Okay, the vision is not the best. I'm sure we could have done better, but now for the test. How does it taste?
Really, really, really good.
Oh wow, surprisingly good.
I'm happy
And
with
so
it.
easy.
We didn't put the full jalapeno, that's enough.
Yes.
You can taste it.
Okay guys, we know we are not the most
The
professionals.
presentation is not the best, but it tastes amazing.
It tastes really, really good. It's definitely worth it. We also, you know, between us kind of back and forth, back and forth. I'm sure if she did it by herself without her actually filming it, it would take a lot shorter and look better. But this is what we got. It tastes
really
really,
good.
really good. And thank you,
just
Mr.
need
Chef.
to wrap it a little bit tighter, less filling. But other than that, it tastes amazing.
Less filling, better wrapping, tastes amazing. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.
I'm gonna eat this one now. Ah.
Wow, it's so good. Look, nothing left. Ah.